Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see the part 5 of the same topic. So we have already done few examples in the previous video. You can have a look at it, and today we'll start with the question number 7 of the same. Write the smallest value of k so that this k, we have to find the value of this one. 57k50 is divisible by 6. So now first we should know the divisibility rule of 6. So number is divisible by 6 when it is divisible, if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So since last we can see this digit of given number is 0, that means it is divisible by 2 because 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, if you have in the units place, it will be divisible by 2. For the number to be divisible by 3, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. So when you add all this one, 5 plus 7 plus k plus 5 plus 0, so that is going to be 17 plus k. So if we put here k as 1, so this number is going to be 17 plus 1, that is going to be 18. So that 18 will be divisible by 3. So if k is 1, then the sum is 18 and it is divisible by 3. So we can say therefore k is equal to 1 is the smallest value. If the number, this is the number given, is divisible by 11 and you have to find the digit y, this is the y, you have to find what is y. So now what is the divisibility rule for 11? If it is divisible by 11. So a number is divisible by 11 when if the difference of the sum of digits of odd position and sum of digits at even position is 11. So even positions means this will be 3, y and 8. So that will be 3 plus 8, that is going to be 11 plus y. And the odd position is going to be, that is 2, 5 and 6. That is 2 plus 5 plus 6, that is going to be 13. So what is that? Here it is difference of the sum of digits of odd position and sum of digits at even position. So odd positions minus even position. So odd position we got 13 and the even position is 11 plus y. So because there are two terms, so we have to put in a bracket because this is minus. So minus, because if we just write a minus 11 plus y without a bracket, that means it is minus 11 plus y. So this negative sign is for both of them. So you have to write a bracket. So it will be minus 11 minus y. So now what will be here? 13 minus 11 is going to be 2 minus y. And when we rearrange this, if we bring this y on the right hand side, so 2 minus y, suppose we take this as 0. So 2 is going to be, this minus y goes on the other side, that is going to be y. So the value of y is 2. That's what they have asked. Find the digit y. Find the ones digit of n if n divided by 2 leaves a remainder 1. So now this n can be any number. So number divided by 2 leaves a remainder 1 means here the ending should end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So suppose we are taking here 29 and if you are dividing it by 2, 2 ones are 2. So here it is going to be 2 fours are 8. So the remainder is 1. So it can be 9. So if we are taking 27, any number we can take which is ending with 7. So 2 ones are 2. This is 7. 2 threes are 6. The remainder is 1. So the ending is 7. If we take 5, now if we are taking just 15, considering any number which is ending with 5. So 2 sevens are 14 and the remainder is 1. So hope you got this. So the end number can be 1, 3, 5 and 7. So the ones place digit should be 1, 3, 5 and 7 and 9 when it is divided by 2. And when it is divided by 4, leaves a remainder 3. A number divided by leaves a remainder 3, it can also end with the same 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So if we are taking here 31, so if we are dividing it by 4, so 4 sevens are 28. So the remainder is 3. So the ending number is 1. If we take here 43, So that will be 4, ones are 4, and here 3 means this is going to be 10. So the remainder is 3. So the ending is 3, and so on. You can just check with this number as well. If you take the ending as 5, 7 and 9. So n divided by 5 leaves remainder 4, and n divided by 2 leaves remainder 1. So number when divided by 5 leaves a remainder 4 has to end with what? Either 4 or 9. So suppose we are writing a 54, or you take 64. If you divide this by 5, 5 ones are 5. So here it should be 5 twos are 10. So the remainder is 4. If you take here 9, if you take here 69, so 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. The remainder is 4. So it should end with 4 or 9. And now if it is divided by 2, similarly a number divided by 2 leaves a remainder of 1. When it ends with, it can also, you can put here 1, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So now you can see here, in this one, both of them, what is common? You can see the number 9 is common. So the number common to both is number ending in 9. So we can say 9 divided by this one, the answer should be 9. Now here we have to check the divisibility of 561492 by 9. So sum of the digits, what will be the sum when you add all this one? This is going to be 27. Now since 27 is divisible by 9, so this number also should be divisible by 9. Now check the divisibility of this by 24. So the number is divisible by 24 if it is divisible by both 3 and 8. So now let us see first with 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So when you add all this one, so you get 30. So since 30 is divisible by 3 means this number should be divisible by 3. Now let us check for 8. So a number is divisible by 8 if last 3 digits, now see, last 3 digits form a number that is divisible by 8. So which are the last 3 digits? 096. So 096 means it can be also 96. So since 96 is divisible by 8, 96 is divisible by 8, 8 ones are 8, 16. Means 12 8s are 96. So therefore 861096 is divisible by 8. And since 861 is divisible by, now what you can say, it is also divisible by 3 and 8. You have seen here, it is divisible by 3 and it is also divisible by 8. So now what we can say, therefore 861096 is divisible by 24. It looks big, but it's very easy. So now by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.